Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread and butter pickles from cucumbers. First, you'll need to slice about 4 pounds of pickling cucumbers into 1/4 inch rounds. Next, thinly slice 2 large sweet onions, separating them into rings. Combine these sliced cucumbers and onions in a large non-reactive bowl. This initial step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture and flavor in your homemade pickles. Now, let's prepare the vegetables for brining. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of pickling salt evenly over your cucumber and onion mixture. Then, add 2 cups of ice cubes to the bowl, making sure they are well distributed. Allow this mixture to stand for at least 3 hours. This process draws out excess water, resulting in crispier pickles. After 3 hours, drain the vegetables thoroughly. For the delicious brine, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 1 cup of apple cider vinegar in a saucepan. Stir in 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of celery seeds, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating that classic bread and butter pickle taste. Finally, it's time to can your pickles. Pack the drained cucumber and onion mixture into hot, sterilized pint jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Pour the hot brine over the vegetables, making sure they are completely covered. For an easier home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Process the filled jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes. Allow them to cool completely before storing. Enjoy your homemade bread and butter pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.